To resolve your issue, start with Solution 1. Open the Settings app, navigate to General, scroll down, and select Shut Down. Turn off your device and wait for 5 to 10 seconds before restarting it. If this doesn't fix the issue, proceed to Solution 2. In this step, open the Settings app and tap on Airplane Mode. Turn it on, wait for 5 to 10 seconds, and then turn it off. This simple toggle often resolves network-related issues. If the problem persists, move to Solution 3. Open the Settings app, tap on Wi-Fi, and select your connected Wi-Fi network. Tap Forget this network and then reconnect by entering the credentials. This should refresh your Wi-Fi connection and may fix the issue. If none of these steps work, try Solution 4, which involves force restarting your iPhone. Follow the steps specific to your device model to perform a force restart, as this method often resolves more persistent issues.